Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me in this video. Today guys, I would like us to share this video with you. I would like us to watch this video. It is very important that we see what is happening, how things are unfolding in our country, Nigeria. A lot of things is happening, there's a current economic situation that is dealing with a lot of people in Nigeria. Poverty is everywhere. People are crying. There's no money. There's nothing to feed upon. And government is doing little things to help people that are in Nigeria, especially the Easterners, where I come from. Although it's not only the eastern part of Nigeria, everyone is crying, everyone is complaining about the current situation of the country. But it is unfortunate that in this kind of problem that is happening in Nigeria, we still find out that the country have a lot of money that are hidden. In this video that you're about to watch, you will see what happened. EFCC happened to discover a lot of money that's being stocked in a hidden place, of course, by politicians. And that money happened to have been rotten. No one can make use of that money at the moment because I think the where they packed it is not well kept. It is not well, secured. That termites happen to, attack the money and have destroyed all the notes. I think it is very, very shameful that in a country where people are complaining about poverty, where people are not feeding properly, some are finding it difficult to have 3 square meals in a day, this kind of thing is happening. This money is enough, to have a good hospital, to have a good road. I don't know why people have so dirty mind, so evil mind, that you would, siphon public funds instead of you to make use of it, for social amenities for the people. You can use that for your private business or to invest it in a hospital. Maybe you can name the hospital that it belongs to you, but people will still benefit on that. But it is so bad that someone will store this kind of money and hide it and keep it for himself just for the money to be wasted. It is very, very sad. Just watch and see.
Life for data. EFCC discover money. See money. See where they hide am. Money don't spoil. Money don't spoil. Men I see. Life. See where they hide am. It don't spoil. It don't spoil. Oh my God! See money! See money! Police barrack wadata! Politician, I don't go kill us!
Guys, you can see the money that I told you about. You can see how people are shouting, how people are complaining about it. It is very, very bad, like I said initially. There's another video that I would like us to look into. This video is a child of 13 years, a girl of 13 years. Me looking at the girl, I don't believe that she is 13. I think she's 12 or thereabouts. I believe maybe the girl come from a poor background. Maybe the family don't have enough money to take care of her, just like many other people in Nigeria who happen to find themselves in a different condition, in difficult condition rather, and be a victim of this kind of child abuse, because I call it child abuse in the sense that this girl is underage, and the man that she's staying with, have affairs with her and got her pregnant at age of 13, like she said. Like I told you, I don't believe that she's 13. I believe that she's quite young. This is the underage girl in a country that is if this kind of thing happen in a country that is well developed, a country that have a rules and regulation. I think government need to step in and see what they can do to assist the girl and to get the man arrested, because having sex with this kind of having sex with a girl of her age is shouldn't be something anyone should be proud of. It is very sad that this kind of thing is happening in our society, and nobody seems to to talk or to do anything meaningful to help the girl or to get the man arrested. Because if he escaped this kind of thing now, he will still go for another girl and get that girl also pregnant, and it will continue that way. And some men need to caution themselves. Some people don't have shame. A girl of this kind of a girl of 13 years, a girl of 13 years is what you are sleeping with. Just watch the video and see for yourself what I'm talking about.
Is that full now, bro?
St. Benedict.
Ebe no ya na St. Benedict Hospital. I doesn't know. Abakwa m ebe afọ ihe gbara magara nska ndị mmadụ sịrị ọfụ. Nna esi n'afọ gị abụ gịnị? Esther onye na-ekwusi okwu ike?
Esther Victor.
Esther Victor. Nke onye nwe nwa iko? Ha? Ka onye mụrụ ọkwa gị nwa mụrụ nwa iko? Gị nwa mụrụ ya? Arọ one ka ị dị?
13 years.
13 years. Oh God. Ka ọ tụbazi gị ime nwa ya mụ?
Oh, yeah, I did not.
Ege na-ebi n'Ọka. Kedu ebe ọ nọ kịta? N'Ọka ka ọ nọ. Ebe mama gị nọ? Na village. Ebe papa gị nọ? Ofu ugboro ka o mee gị ihe a wee tụba gị ime ka gịnị ya na-eme ihe a mgbe ọbụla. Efusi mensis ego ọ bịazi eme gịnị? Ọ bịazi di na gị. Since anyị dị ime mụrụ nwa, ọ bịagokwa ebe afọ gị na nwa. Na ndị mmadụ agwaghị unu so mfụ nke a. Abata na hospital for this small girl, jụọ ya for ebe oku nwa, nche ma nwa ya na mmadụ bi. Ọ sị na ya nwa mụrụ nwa, na wọchizi ma ala ma ukwu eji m nwa nwere ya mfụ. Njụọ ya na ọ dị 12 years to 13 years. Kezi atụbara ime ọ sị na ya enye na ya bi. And ife ji enu na ọgwụ akịta maybe bill. Information na-enweta na ama m ego na bill ya mara ego ya ka for maybe 100 and something thousand. Onye tụrụ ya ime is nowhere to be found. Papia na onwe ya dị nke onye ọrụ ike afọrọ na nwoke mmadụ. Information na-enwetakwu na papia na mama ya nwere sele okwu mama ya na so na ọgwa nka m fọrọ. Uche mbara this little girl need help, you know. Onye debere ọnọdụ ya need ka trace ye. Maybe can feel o mebile nwa.
Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting me. Please like the video, share it, and see you in my next video.